There are a lot of moving parts in your engine, and they need to work together with exacting precision. That's why your timing belt is so important. It makes sure your valves open and close at the right time. If your timing belt breaks, the best case is that your engine won't run. Worst case is that the pistons crash into your valves. This can cause extensive and very expensive engine damage. Engines in which the valves can potentially hit or interfere with the pistons are called interference engines. Over 70% of engines equipped with timing belts are interference engines. So when you should replace your timing belt is something you need to know. The recommended replacement interval varies by engine. Your service center can tell you, or you can check your owner's manual. Here's a good rule of thumb. If your vehicle has over 50,000 miles or 80,000 kilometers, check to see what the recommended interval is. You don't want to miss this service. Getting to your timing belt takes a bit of doing. It's located on the front of your engine, behind a cover beneath your serpentine belt, and accessories like your alternator and air conditioning compressor. Timing belt replacement service is labor-intensive and is one of the more expensive maintenance services. In addition to the timing belt, the timing drive system also includes a tensioner pulley and one or more idler pulleys. These parts have about the same life cycle as the belt and should always be replaced at the same time. On many vehicles, the water pump is driven by the timing belt. It makes sense to replace the relatively inexpensive water pump and have a cooling system service done at the same time. That way you can avoid the labor cost of getting to the water pump when it fails in the future. Timing drive system replacement is very important and can save you thousands in engine repairs. If you're not sure when your vehicle is due, be sure to ask your service advisor. And ask for a quality Dayco timing belt and components, engineered to meet or exceed original equipment specifications.